Sawari ko'y lumipas ng kadiliman ng
joining your lives together, is that something that you will have to do today, once and for all. It is something that you will have to do day after day.
At kaya nang iwanan ng bakas ng kahapon ko. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang himig ng puso mo. Handa akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin.
Oh my gosh, ba't ngayon lang? Ba't ngayon lang? Pinabot ko 34, 35. Pero yun, good luck sa wedding mo and sana, you know, party-party tayo mamaya. And sana talagang maging successful sa wedding. I love you, ate.
Malilimutan ito, kay hirap lang maulit muli ang naiwan na.
It's not only marrying the right person, it is being the right partner.
Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay.
Catherine, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, I do, Father.
Iwanan ang bakas ng kahapon ko. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang himig ng puso mo. Handa akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. Oh, oh. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang himig ng puso mo. Handa akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin.
Pagkat tuloy pa rin.
Pagkat tuloy pa rin. Pagkat tuloy pa rin.
Totoo yung sinabi nila na supportive siya. Siya yung masasabi mong constant friend na nandyan sa'yo. Laging maaasahan mo. Alam mo hindi ka niya iiwan.
Stones we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. Oh, we're taking the high road. Lay beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in. Oh, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I'll give you the fall, spring singing a song, we're taking the high road.
Kuya Mark, kukunin ko siya. Pag siya sinaktan mo, diretso siya sa amin. Kuya Mark, hawag mong sasaktan si Ate Kat. Nakukutay ko lang. Nauwi sa bahay. Kukunin ka lang nila. Pasyal ka palagi dito. Of course. Wala ka, miss ka na uwi. Ate ko.
Hearts are wayward, sun is
My brothers and sisters, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Mark Andrew and Catherine Katbagan. Let us give them a round of applause. Mark, you may now kiss your wife.
I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I'm giving the fall, spring singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. Finally awakened, we're taking the high road. As long as it takes us, we're taking the high road.
Ang init!
Pwede mo iintindihin na siya na yung kasama mo for life. Tapos, normal lang ang mag-away, pero hindi normal ang maghiwalay. Yun lang po. Good luck. Good luck sa iyong marriage life. Galingan mo po mga tatlo.
Well, you know I will follow rivers to